Today I'm going to talk about step by step what you need to do to learn spoken English. And believe me guys, English is the easiest language to learn. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video and let me tell you what I discovered throughout my journey of learning English. So the number one thing I would like to talk about is change your environment. What do I mean by that? We all have studied English in school, but we never had the exposure of spoken English. Why? Because we were never in the English spoken environment. So you need to find a way to be in that environment. Now, the question is, how can I do that? You can do that, and it's very simple and easy. Whatever you do in your local language, start doing it in English, like watching videos, watching English news. The main motive is to listen to everything in English. Initially, it could be boring and you can lose interest, but you need to stick with it. Most importantly, when you're watching something, listen to one sentence and then pause it and try to understand in what situation you can use that sentence. Listening will improve your ability to understand better and it definitely will make you a smart communicator. Coming to the next point, writing. How writing help you to learn English? Think about when we write something, we have time to choose correct words according to the situation and stop making the same mistakes. If you write regularly, after a while you will start noticing the changes, like your grammatical accuracy will improve. Another benefit you will get is that your ability to organize sentences will improve. So when I was learning English, I used to make a lot of mistakes while trying to speak. It was like a broken English. I started writing down 10 to 20 sentences every day about anything, like what I did today, or maybe think about any situation and write about that. And guys, believe me, within 2-3 weeks, I started noticing massive improvement. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start writing something from today itself. Now, I'm going to talk about the most important part, and that is speaking. So when I was learning spoken English, I did not have anyone to speak with. So what I used to do, I used to ask questions to myself. For example, I would ask myself, what did I do yesterday? And then answer that loudly to myself. So how does that help? So whenever someone will ask me what did I do yesterday, I have answer to that question. In the beginning of this video, I talked about listening, and let me tell you, listening and speaking is connected to each other. Let's suppose you are watching a video about a vacation. Now try to take ideas from that video and you can use those sentences whenever you found yourself in discussion going on about a vacation. One more thing is importance. Whatever you listen, whatever you write, keep imitating that, keep repeating that. And guys, let me ask you, when you hesitate, let me ask you why you hesitate and afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even the people who are fluent make mistakes. So don't be worried about mistakes. If you like what I'm talking about, like and comment.